How to invest in stocks. A beginner's guide for getting started. 5 steps to start investing. 1. Determine your investing approach. The first thing to consider is how to start investing in stocks. Some investors choose to buy individual stocks, while others take a less active approach. Try this. Which of the following statements best describes you? 2. I have several hours each week to dedicate to stock market investing. 3. I like to read about the different companies I can invest in, but don't have any desire to dive into anything math-related. 4. I'm a busy professional and don't have the time to learn how to analyze stocks. The good news is that regardless of which of these statements you agree with, you're still a great candidate to become a stock market investor. 2. Decide how much you will invest in stocks. First, let's talk about the money you shouldn't invest in stocks. The stock market is no place for money that you might need within the next 5 years, at a minimum. While the stock market will almost certainly rise over the long run, there's simply too much uncertainty in stock prices in the short term. In fact, a drop of 20% in any given year isn't unusual. In 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the market plunged by more than 40% and rebounded to an all-time high within a few months. 1. Your emergency fund. 2. Money you'll need to make your child's next tuition payment. 3. Next year's vacation fund. 4. Money you're socking away for a down payment, even if you will not be prepared to buy a home for several years. 3. Open an investment account. All of the advice about investing in stocks for beginners doesn't do you much good if you don't have any way to actually buy stocks. To do this, you'll need a specialized type of account called a brokerage account. You can easily fund your brokerage account via F-transfer, by mailing a check, or by wiring money. Opening a brokerage account is generally easy, but you should consider a few things before choosing a particular broker. Type of account. First, determine the type of brokerage account you need. For most people who are just trying to learn stock market investing, this means choosing between a standard brokerage account and an individual retirement account, IRA. Both account types will allow you to buy stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. The main considerations here are why you're investing in stocks and how easily you want to be able to access your money. If you want easy access to your money, are just investing for a rainy day, or want to invest more than the annual IRA contribution limit, you'll probably want a standard brokerage account. On the other hand, if your goal is to build up a retirement nest egg, an IRA is a great way to go. These accounts come in 2 main varieties: traditional and Roth IRAs, and there are some specialized types of IRAs for self-employed individuals and small business owners, including the SEP IRA and Simple IRA. IRAs are very tax-advantaged places to buy stocks, but the downside is that it can be difficult to withdraw your money until you get older. 4. Choose your stocks. Now that we've answered the question of how you buy stock, if you're looking for some great beginner-friendly investment ideas, here are 5 great stocks to help get you started. Of course, in just a few paragraphs we can't go over everything you should consider when selecting and analyzing stocks, but here are the important concepts to master before you get started. 1. Diversify your portfolio. 2. Invest only in businesses you understand. 3. Avoid high volatility stocks until you get the hang of investing. 4. Always avoid penny stocks. 5. Learn the basic metrics and concepts for evaluating stocks. It's a good idea to learn the concept of diversification, meaning that you should have a variety of different types of companies in your portfolio. However, I'd caution against too much diversification. Stick with businesses you understand. And if it turns out that you're good at, are comfortable with, evaluating a particular type of stock, there's nothing wrong with one industry making up a relatively large segment of your portfolio. 5. Continue investing. Here's one of the biggest secrets of investing, courtesy of the Oracle of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett. You do not need to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. The most surefire way to make money in the stock market is to buy shares of great businesses at reasonable prices and hold on to the shares for as long as the businesses remain great, or until you need the money. If you do this, you'll experience some volatility along the way, but over time you'll produce excellent investment returns. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.